Welcome back to another Roblox Zero review. Today we are reviewing LeMonde 787 in first class. I got the last available Steam first class. It was supposed to happen 15 minutes ago, but the server crashed and I almost had a mental breakdown because I thought it was like Roblox purposely did it so I don't get my FC. Like, I don't know which gates we're gonna be using. And guys, plus, I don't know if I'm gonna record most of the flight because I put on Invisalign for my teeth. And you have to use elastics with it. So, and, like, yesterday in my bathroom, in my bathroom, I was trying to put them on. It took me like half an hour. Anyways, if I don't put them on, I don't put them on. Yep. Here are the swatches. We have the green one, which I'll show to you in the other lounge. Like, I got the last FC place, and probably expecting it to be the A350 suites because the A350 suites, A, they're small, B, they're the most private ones. Okay, yes, they're small, but who cares? We still get the privacy we need. I flew in them as a guest once, and I really liked it. Like the A350 first class suites. I don't know what happened to the A350. Like, I'm actually really curious. Let's see A350 suites, I knew it! I knew it, the CA350 was, yay! So, I'm gonna show you what real privacy in the air is like. Yo, what the hell? Bro, let me in. Let me in, bro. Let me in, bro. Hello. Like, literally. I'm literally excited for the flight itself. It says A1, but I'm probably gonna assume we're boarding from door. Oh gosh, they locked the servers, so if my game crashes, that's game over for me. That's practically game over. Game over for me. Wait, I'll be back. I need to put my dishes away. Okay, I'm actually back. Okay, I'm gonna actually get the last 600. Okay, I am back. Hopefully this doesn't take another half an hour. Oh gosh. I'm gonna show you guys the hotel rooms and then I'm gonna be actually like chatting with those people. Bruh, is there any available hotel room? Yes, we have the Tolay suite. Let's close the door. Wait, it actually looks pretty nice. Anyways, I'm gonna see you guys on the plane. Oh my gosh, LeMonde, well done. LeMonde, well done. If the plane is from German Jet, they just painted it. Okay, so I guess there's gonna be a German Jet 787 Economy plus German Jet Edition is coming soon, gentlemen. Anyways, I'm gonna see you guys on the plane now. Yo guys, we're in the plane and I told you the A350, these are the A350 suites. They are the private ones. Right behind me is business class that I almost got into because I booked the last seat. I actually booked the last seat in the cabin. Oh my gosh, like look. A door, full privacy mode. Oh wait, I gotta miss. Wait a minute, didn't we get the hotel? Because we already have an amenity kit here. Okay, the rain slash sleeping set. Wow. Laptop phone. Oh, laptop is here. Phone, I'm gonna review it in a second. Yeah, it's the iPhone 11. Okay, here's the watermelon juice. Everybody loves watermelon juice, don't they? And QA? Bro, I don't care what it says. I'm just scared that I'm in FC right now with LeMonde. It's not on the A380, thank goodness, because those reviews were actually getting kind of annoying. Like, people started DMing me on Discord saying, like, oh, do other content. It's getting boring seeing those LeMonde A380 reviews. I promise there won't be any unless it's in a different class. Unless it's like in business or premium economy, I'm not recording. If it's in first class, I'll just like record the video and it will be titled a different way. We'll talk about different stuff. And I'll make it look like it was one of my former videos. I'll just say, oh, this is not like an A380 review. Which way to economy? I don't know, ask the camera crew. Anyways, guys, I'll see you once. Oh, right, I forgot to review the hotel. Who doesn't like the hotel? I sure do. Okay, guys, I'm actually reviewed the IFE.
Please ensure you remain in the correct seat for the duration of the flight to minimise delays as much as possible. We now ask that you board the aircraft quickly, find your seat, and fasten your seatbelt. It is understood by us that you have a choice of who to fly with, and we are honoured that you have chosen to fly with LeMonde Airlines today.
I'm actually gonna close the doors, so I'm gonna see you guys at cruise, and plus I have to put these elastics on. No. Why do we even need elastics? We're already wearing Invisalign, which is practically braces. My gosh, guys. I'm actually happy. I'm actually happy I'm not in a different class, because business class is from the A320, and the other classes. Just and premium economy and eco are from the A380, and then we just got a notification that also eco bad news. Someone just ordered on your cabin. Okay, I'm actually see you guys on a cruise. Alright guys, so we are now we're at Alright guys, so we are now at cruise. Sorry I was offline for so long. Anyways, let's review the IFV. Oh, never mind, it's still the same IFV. And this is actually pretty good sweet so far, and a pretty good flight. So we are eating some poached lobster. Oh, and guys, today there's also gonna be an Air Monaco review. I'm reviewing them today. Okay, let's put things away. Sure, let's review the salad, but first, let's review the tools. Okay, so we have a letter, then we have the moisturizer. Then we have the tissues. Then we have the toothpaste, then we have the hand cream. Then we have the hand cream, then we have the body lotion, then we have a fresh orange salad. Okay, this is actually practically what it is. Oh my gosh, guys, I'll see you when we land.
Now let's
Alright,
look
guys,
at
we have landed.
the textbook page and we'll do a couple example questions. We'll
And
talk through them together.
wait a minute, is this Moscow?
So we'll look at the example first here. Calculating an expression with exponents and all operations. So this is the question here. It
my
says
gosh,
calculate.
we're
We've got 2/3, okay, squared, or to the power of 2, minus 5/6
Shut
times
up,
1/2
Putin.
plus 3/4 divided by 1/3. So lots of different steps there that we need to look at. We've got the solution in front of us, so we'll take a look at this. We'll chat about it, and then we'll do some example questions where we don't already have the answers. Okay. So first thing we have to look at is brackets.
This is
so do we have
my-
brackets in this question?
breakfast.
We do.
Cornflakes
Okay,
with
we've
bread.
got brackets on our first fraction, 2/3. Okay, you'll notice that there's not really anything for us to do in the fractions because it's an order of operations question, so it's a fractions question, we're not going to put it into decimals. So what I mean by that, we're not going to actually divide 2 by 3. We're going to leave our fractions. So the first thing we do, we look at the brackets. There's nothing to do within those brackets. So then I look to see,
And
okay, are there
apparently if you're
exponents?
injured,
And yes, there
that's
are. There's
good.
one. So who can explain to me how we go from 2/3 to the power of 2 to the next step where we get 4/9? How did we get there?
Actually risked missing.
You squared the 2/3,
a
which
Ryanair
means you
flight.
multiply by itself, and that gets you
But
4
hey, I
9.
reviewed Ryanair
Awesome.
yesterday.
Okay, great explanation, Jared.
I
So
just-
we would do 2
I don't think
times 2, which gives
I
us
don't
4,
think I
2
remember
multiplied by
to
itself, or
upload
2
it.
squared, and then 3 multiplied by 3, 3 times 3, which gives us 9. So we get 4/9, okay? Then if you look to the right
Because
of
I'm saving up
4/9,
for next
to
week,
this part
where
here,
I'll just
everything
upload
else
it
is
today.
the same. So we've just carried down. Sometimes it lets me highlight, sometimes it doesn't. We've carried down the following steps, exactly the same. Okay, so Jared, why don't you tell us, looking at step 2 here, so where my cursor is, what's our next step and why? When we look
You
at
have to multiply 5/6 by 1/2 because that comes next in the
Oh,
bed
gosh.
mass order.
If you
But
hear
even though
someone
there's a
yelling,
division sign, it's
my
still
classmate's
the same
idea.
between
multiplication and division.
Right, I
Therefore, you
forgot to show you
multiply
guys
5
here
by
the
6
big
by
one.
1/2 first.
Awesome. So,
There's the
like Jared said, we're going to do
platinum.
multiplication because we're doing multiplication and division. So we're on the third step. So we're going from left to right.
And
So we
then
see the multiplication
the
first. We're
door
going to do
I'm
multiplication first.
We're
So
gonna-
the next step, we keep our 4 over 9. We leave that there. We keep our minus sign. And then we do 5 times 1. That gives us 5. And we do 6 times 2, which gives us 12.
And those seats
Okay, so
are
we're slowly starting to
C2A.
simplify our answer here. Now, we can do this all in one step, or we can separate it, okay? So you'll see that the way they've done it in the textbook is they did multiplication, division all in one step. So kept the plus sign down here, but divided 3/4 divided by, excuse me, by 1/3. So who can tell me how we got from 3/4 divided by 1/3 to 9/4? How do we get that answer? I'm going to see if anyone else wants to tell us, Jared,
Look,
but I might
this
come
is
back.
actually kind of nice. Outside here.
Anton, can you tell us?
Oh, sorry, I was unmuted. So,
Okay.
I was unmuted. So the question is how 5 over 6 times 1/2 became 5/12.
That is not the question, no. So if you're
Yes, we're
looking at
trying to
something
get
else on
on
your
the-
screen, while I'm going through
Oh,
this,
right,
you
I
need
forgot to
stop.
show you guys the other seats.
Okay, let's go to Paul.
No, tell me the question I want to answer.
Well, then you gotta listen, and I might call on you again.
Are you serious? I lost the question now.
Sorry?
I lost where we were because you were discussing with Anton.
Okay. So we're working on multiplication and division.
So
Yeah, that was economy for you guys.
how we got from 3/4 to 3/4 and 1/3 to 9/4.
Correct, yeah.
Because they the reciprocal, they flipped it, and then after they multiplied by the numerators.
Yep, so you find the reciprocal. So what's the reciprocal? The reciprocal of 1/3 is what?
3/1.
3/1.
Yeah,
So then we would multiply 3 times 3, okay, and 4 times
4
1.
times 1, yeah.
Okay. So that's how we got 9/4.
C for you.
Alright, so next step. Now all we've got left is subtraction and addition. But remember, when we're adding and subtracting fractions, we have to make sure that our denominators are the same, right? Multiplying and dividing in this case is actually a little bit easier when we're working with fractions. But, so our first equation we're going to do is 4/9 minus 5/12. What makes the most sense to do and is the easiest is to find a denominator that is common between all 3 denominators. Okay, so here, 36 is a common factor of 9, 12, and 4, so it works as a common denominator. What did we do to 9 to get to 36? Mariana. Yeah. Yep, so we multiplied 9 by 4 to get 36, which means we have to do the same thing to our numerator. So we did 4 by 4 to get 16. Okay, then we're going to leave that there. And then, Sasha A, what do we multiply 12 by to get 36 here?
We multiply 12 by 3.
Yep, so 12, 24, 36. Then we have to multiply 5 by 3 as well. We get 15. And then Roman, what do we multiply 4 by to get 36? multiply 4 by to get 36. Or in other words, 4 times what is 36?
4 times 9.
Yeah, 4 times 9, exactly. And so then we multiply
Wait,
9 by 9, we get
let's
81.
take this
Okay,
for
we're
the
almost
thumbnail.
there. So now we've got all of our denominators the same, we can do this really nice and quick. So 16 minus 15,
There we
know,
go.
gives us 1. 1
The
plus
thumbnail
82,
is now
sorry,
taken.
1 plus 81 gives us 82. We've got 82 over 36, but we know that this is simplified. Okay, really quickly, I'm going to see, okay, how many times does 36 go into 82? 36, if I add 36 plus 36, I get 72. Okay, so it goes in 2 full times.
That flip was
And then
actually
I've got
pretty
10
good.
left over. 10 over 36. Last step is to simplify that even more. So we divide 10 by 2, 36 by 2. And our final answer is 2 and 5/18. Okay, so you can see many steps there. Does anyone have any questions about that?
No.
Come on, what?
Awesome. Okay, we're going to do one more together and I'll actually type it out. Let me pick one here. Okay, so we're going to do 6D. This one here. I wonder if I copy it. I don't know if the formatting will work. Maybe it doesn't. I don't think so. Okay.
You have been kicked, Lauren. Admin.
So,
Okay, so
we've got 1/2.
the fight is now over. Thanks for watching, guys. I will upload 2 airline reviews right now. This one and the one.
So in brackets.
So I'll see you guys
1/2
later.
plus 1/3 plus minus 1/6